Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an insect. A delicate and colorful insect known for its vibrant wings. They are found all over the world. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as butterfly, butterfly, butter, fly, butterfly, while in American accent, we may pronounce it as butterfly, butterfly, butter, fly, butterfly. If you enjoyed learning about butterflies, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.